Again, update and refresh before every New York Open. Gold still pushing higher here. Silver, same thing. ES continuing uptick. 69.61. We got a number again. Top of the hour. PCE. What did I miss, guys? Missed a lot. We got Intel earnings after the bell. Davos yesterday. Anything expected from Davos today? Was that just
I don't
I
know
didn't
how we
see
can top
anything.
yesterday.
Oh, yesterday was just, I mean,
left,
from
right,
a
and center,
content
man?
perspective, it's pure gold.
Gold,
Yeah.
gold. Gift that kept on giving. Steve R in the chat asked 50K today in YM, the Dow. We will see about 350 points from there. But gold continuing to push. Silver, same story there. 48.47 new highs in gold. New highs in gold. Again, 50, less than about $40. $40 from all-time highs. Silver, about, oh hell, $1.60 from new all-time highs in silver. Right now, pretty muted open. Again, huge fan of what you guys were doing yesterday in fast markets. It looked, remember you guys were waiting for the Supreme Court, something to come from the Supreme Court, got a dud. Maybe you guys
Oh,
thought
yeah.
you guys are in
Happened
for
three
it, huh?
times now. Three
Uh-huh.
times.
Like, uh-oh, it's gonna be one of these days.
Check
And
this
lo and
out,
behold.
Andre.
Yeah, what do you got
With
for
these
me?
practical backgrounds, I no longer have an invisible Top Step TV cup.
I know you can bring those
Now in
back.
all its green screen, green glory.
Back in rotation. Also, I'm seeing 199,000 subscribers. We are on the march to 200,000 subscribers here in Top Step TV. Be so kind. Please click subscribe. Please click like. Please click notify. And we are less than 1,000 subs, not paid for, from 200,000. Yes. Thank you
Also,
kindly.
guys, give me a minute. I just took a lot of water down the wrong pipe there.
Wrong pipe.
These things happen.
Yep. All right, JD. If we see a similar setup in the ES, basically just getting with the trend. We're not seeing that just yet. We are seeing NQ selling off, closing at overnight view up. NQ down about 80 points since that bell rang about 5 minutes ago.
Are you talking about that caveman trade from yesterday again?
Yeah, well, I mean, basically you got with the trend, right?
Yeah.
You if we see similar setup today.
I just saw the stars aligning across 4 different markets, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the Dow were all pumping at new highs, and the S&P was just spinning its wheels, stuck in the mud. And I knew that the adjustment was coming. I just had that feeling, like everything's ripping except for the S&P. We got to get in this thing, So it was just a reaction, and I think we made the right move.
Years of experience, screen time. Right now, ES not doing too much. Saw massive size as well in the ladder. Using that level 2 data on Top Step X. Haven't seen much yet. That was in the ES. Be sure to call those out in the chat if you do see those big orders, the upside or downside. But right now, pretty muted open. We do have that PCE number at the top of the hour. Right now, everything seems pretty tame. Let's take a what's going on in crypto, MBT. A lot of talk yesterday. Are we under 90,000? Yes, we are. Oh, wow. Yep, 89,285. And I heard you guys talking opening call about crude, CL Russell. What's going on in the crude trading 59.64? I hear Russell is trading all-time highs. Getting a lot of love there. But right now, I think really moving equities. We'll sell off in NQ. Dow still up around the highs, about 12 points from those highs, about closing in about 200 points from all-time highs. What's up, Jack?
2 levels I'm looking at, depending on how aggressive you are from the buy side in the ES, is one is right here. This is the 69.20 level SPX. I don't know how aggressive I am to buy it right here. The next would be 69.34, which is that big round 6,900 number in the SPX. I would be against buying it here, especially if you're bullish. Seems like a good pullback level.
Also, Jack, I heard you have a little New Year's resolution, if you will, with your trading in 2026. Catch me up to date on that. No getting short, or something along those lines.
No, I'll get short, but like I'm trying to hold much longer on the long side and be more conservative on the short side.
Gotcha.
There was really only one time last year where we had a consistent, during the tariff stuff,
Yeah.
right? There were probably some
That's what I'm talking
opportunities. There were opportunities to long, even before we hit the bottom there too. So I'm gonna try and be more patient to wait for good buying opportunities.
What was your
about. All right.
what was your call again for high print of the year, Jay? Was it
Tom Lee.
8700?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably
So it's 8,500.
85.
Basically, every time Tom Lee releases a new target, I'm just gonna go 10% higher. I want to be.
Like
That's how you get the headlines.
the eternal optimist,
If
eternal
it's
bull.
Very nice.
7,700, f that.
I'll call and raise
Spy
you.
800 calls all day. This is
Um,
not financial advice.
Again, PCE top of the hour. What else do we have on the schedule for the day? We have crude. Yeah, crude inventories 11 a.m. That's a different time. Oh, that's right. It's a holiday week, right? Holiday. Yep, that makes sense.
Hmm. Man, crude oil. Look at that. As soon as the
We
tilt
trade.
gets above 80,
It turn
as soon
around.
as the crude gets, yeah, tilt above 80, imminent turnaround. This is not trading advice of any kind, but there's a pattern there, and it's been respecting that pattern for a while. Anytime you see crude tilt above 80%, it's likely. I shouldn't say
A little too
likely,
heavy.
but
One
that's when
too heavy too.
you start looking for a turnaround. Yeah, it would have paid
Oh,
today.
speaking of
Already
turnaround,
may have
buyers.
violated some of my New Year's resolution there.
Uh-oh.
Another thing I'm thinking about is getting a little more aggressive on like any buy levels because it's like once you wait for the good ones, a lot of times it's like, well, we've already kind of turned around. Little adverse selection, but the 53 level did pay out there for like 9.5 points.
Again, we got Deanna joining us in a little bit. Vince and Dakota
Hmm.
all here on Fast Markets. Really enjoying that. Get some new traders in here, new energy, new blood, new trade
For
ideas. But
sure.
Dow continuing to push here. New highs 49,764. 764 last trade, all time highs.
ES putting in new highs.
Here we go.
69.03 half, new high in the ES. I don't see any real size on the ladder right now. A couple hundred lots
Nothing,
peppered in. That's about
nothing
it.
yet. No one reads the tape. No one reads the tape like JD. He actually enjoys it.
I do.
Sicko stuff. We got Carvana up 3%.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
No position in Carvana for me at the moment, but I'm always watching it. It's like the fifth rider of the apocalypse. 10-year,
Yes.
a little bit above 4.26. Look at the Mag 7. Everything's up. Biggest is Meta's up 3.6%. They've been getting hammered a little bit recently, as is Microsoft. They're up 1%. Biggest straggler is Tesla is just up 0.3% right now. Everything else, mostly up 1%, a little more.
Buyer. Yikes. NQ, they were trying to run that thing up. They ran all the way up to 25,690. 690. Sellers jump right back in, took it lower about 25 points. Tried giving it the old college try to the upside. And the seller said, not so fast. Silver continuing to push higher here. About $1.80 from all-time highs. Pretty muted open right now. We'll see what happens at the top of the hour. Jack, can you catch me up to speed with what's going on in Japan? I know, the bonds and all that stuff. They're selling the hell out of those bonds, correct? And starting to
Yeah.
see maybe.
So I
Well,
haven't looked in the last couple days because the U.S. If something, what catches my attention, I'm always watching the U.S. yields, and if something crazy was happening in Japan, those would respond to. But what led to the most recent thing is I believe they're having some like snap elections and possible more fiscal stimulus, and it's leading to sell the 40-year bond. The 40-year bond was introduced in 1997, and this is the highest yield it's ever been this week. I don't know what it's at right now. I am admittedly not a Japanese bond trader, but